Hi, my name is Dlveen. I'm studying IT at the American University of Iraq, Lebanon, and now I'm going to present my Capstone project, which is about automating light system of buildings. So what is SkyDancer? SkyDancer is a model with LEDs programmed by an Arduino microcontroller using the C programming language. This is the model. In front of each window there is a LED. The light of LEDs appear brighter in darkness, and there is a push button in which anyone can change the patterns of this model with that button. So how is the current situation? Well, the current situation is not wisdom. Okay, we have tall and modern buildings, but lack of light has disappeared their presence during night. The more lights coming from your building, the more attractive your building will be. So, lights can make your building more attractive with decorations and patterns during occasions. The lack of marketing, entertainment, and brightness in the building is what SkyDancer aims to solve. Project literature. When I started searching about this idea, I realized that there are similar projects in different countries. Some of these projects were used for fun, some for entertainment, some for marketing, and some for occasions. One of the projects that really attracted me is the dorm show, in which several students came up with the idea. They have put different lights in front of this building window and designed different patterns with these lights. As we can see in this photo, they have designed a pattern which looks like a car. Another amazing project is the Empire State Building. The Empire State Building light show changes color according to the occasions. For example, when the colors are red, white, and blue, it means it's in honor of President's Day. Project implementation. Of course, working on a project like this needs both hardware and software implementation. Let's start with the hardware implementation first. For the first stage, I only used breadboards for testing the LEDs and designing the patterns. Then I soldered the legs of the LEDs with wires and putting them to the model, and this is inside the model. Software implementation. As you can see, I have used different arrays for making the patterns, and I have sequencers for the push button so that when it's pressed for the first time, the first pattern will be working, and the second time it's pressed, the second pattern will be on. I'm going to open the bag to show you what's inside the model. These are the LEDs that are soldered with wires, and I have connected all of them together on these breadboards. I have used shift registers to connect all the 72 LEDs because the Arduino microcontroller has limited pins, and each LED has a resistor to limit the current, and I have a push button which allows you to change the patterns of this model, and I have an external power which gives power to the LED. And now I'm going to switch off the lights because these LEDs appear brighter in darkness. So now all the LEDs are working. I have a push button in which anyone can change the patterns of this model. It works as a sequence. The first time it's pushed, the first pattern will be working, and the next time it's pushed, the next pattern will be on.